wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mechanical keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Havit HV KB395L RGB looks awesome with its multicolored lighting and feels great under your fingers too, whether you're typing a paper or blazing through an RPG. Unfortunately, the keys are not individually programmable, so you'll have to stick with the presets. It features end key rollover technology and a very thin design. However, the body can flex under pressure. At number 9, with its silver chassis, white keys and blue backlight, the eagletec KG011 Industrial has a crisp, clean look that makes it perfectly suited to the modern office environment. Plus, it's splash resistant to help protect you from the occasional coffee spill. It includes a full numeric keypad and adjustable rear feet, but this one's not for hardcore gamers. Coming in at number 8 on our list, this Azio MGK1 Gaming is an elegantly designed keyboard that was also crafted with protracted use in mind. It incorporates a comfortable and detachable palm rest that helps reduce hand and wrist strain, while its anodized aluminum faceplate can endure near constant abuse. It features an easy access volume wheel and white LED backlighting. However, the wider keys rattle a little. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the SteelSeries Apex 100 is a no-frills model that manages to capture the best features of an old-school mechanical keyboard without the modern price tag of one. It's great for writers and programmers and is built to withstand 20 million strokes over its lifetime. It's equipped with quick tension switches and laser-engraved letters and numbers, but it doesn't sit totally flat. Moving up our list to number 6. Great for typists, coders, or anyone else who likes a little depth to their keystrokes. The WASD Code 104 features a relaxed design that puts it perfectly at home in almost any environment. It's highly customizable and available with the most popular switch options. It also comes in an 87-key version with a multi-channel cable routing system. However, it is a fairly expensive option. Halfway up our list at number 5. You can't get more luxurious when it comes to gaming boards than the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum, which offers some of the best performance and customization options of any out there. Dedicated one-touch controls give you access to volume, mute, media playback, and more. It features 8 MB of onboard storage and a detachable soft wrist rest, but its Q2 software can be buggy. At number 4, while there may be more responsive or customizable models on the market, none are likely as beautifully crafted as the Das Keyboard 4 Ultimate. The keys on this stealth bomber of a board come completely blank if you so choose, giving you a typing experience like no other. It boasts a super-speed USB 3 hub, an oversized volume knob, and a standout build quality. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. From a great-looking design that includes a unique 18 LED light bar to your choice of 3 Cherry MX switches, the fully featured HyperX Alloy Elite leaves little to be desired. It's especially ideal for media-heavy applications, thanks to its wide selection of controls. It's available in 3 sizes and 3 styles, with an exposed steel frame and optional textured keycaps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Razer Cynosa Chroma features a sleek modern look that extends right down to the font used on the keycaps, but it also boasts the brand's pioneering switch mechanics, which helps improve responsiveness and speed and was designed specifically for gaming. It's a water and dust resistant design that's fully programmable and rated to last 60 million keystrokes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with Roma G switches that are both very fast and highly tactile, the Logitech G910 G413 Carbon is designed for the quickest of fingers. With a highly durable and sophisticated aircraft-grade aluminum alloy top case, it's also made for the most refined of tastes. It comes with a USB pass-through port and a keycap puller. It's great value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video.